Welcome hair friends to our channel. Today I will show you tips and tricks to recognize scammers in hair business. Fraudulent hair companies are deceitful groups or individuals who run websites using the front of the reputable hair company. They scam customers in a variety of ways. For example, a hair extension advertised as real hair is actually synthetic, or the color is completely different to the photo online. The hair product delivery is severely delayed, and the result is the hair package never arrives. In this case, the company doesn't actually sell hair and use the website as a front to scam people out of money. However, there are telltale signs to look out for. Scammers often release a fake or plagiarized image that look too good to be true or have been taken from legitimate websites and gives unrealistic discounts or unbelievably low price. Many customers think that they have a great bargain buying at the price, but they don't know that price comes with quality. Another identifying sign is scammers usually upload blurry photos with no brand name or logo. Their page are likes of reviews or comments or spamming comment, possibly with regular typos. Hair extension scammers often have social media accounts to avoid accusation from previously fooled people. To avoid meeting hair scammers, coming to Vietnamese Hair. Because Vietnamese Human Hair has active in hair market for a long time, so Vietnamese Hair puts a fixed position in customer, especially in Africa, Asia, and Europe. The Vietnamese hair factories are trying to their best to provide the best quality hair as well as the cheapest price in the hair market. In conclusion, be smart and vigilant vendors. Remember that you can meet scammers everywhere if you are not aware.
Hello everybody, my name is Regina. I'm from Texas and I'm here to give you a quick review about K-Hair. I'm going to take a minute to tell you my story for a minute. I'm going to start a hair business, an online hair business. I have been in the search for looking for a hair vendor. I know a good year. I tried many different companies in China. They would tell me that their hair was top quality, that it was virgin, cuticle line hair. But as soon as I got the hair, it would mat up, it would tangle, it would shed like a dog. And I just had a recent experience where I had a company in China that they sent me samples and everything, and the hair looked pretty good. So I said, well, I'm going to go with this vendor. So, with the recent pandemic with COVID-19 and everything, money is kind of scarce. So I said, well, I'm going to have to try to make an investment, to try to, make some money. So I decided to order in bulk. I spent thousands of dollars on hair. I received the hair. It was so many short pieces in the bundles. You couldn't run your fingers through the hair. The hair was dry and coarse and shedding. So I contacted the vendor. I said, hey, this hair isn't the quality that you told me it was. I said, it's shedding, it's tangled, it have all these little short pieces. I said, I can't sell this to my customers. I say, starting off a business, if I start out with hair that's bad, that's going to run away all my customers, and I don't want to give a bad name for myself starting out. So then she flipped the script, and the vendor tried to blame it on me. She said that I must not wash and condition the hair right, something I did to the hair. She blamed me for not having, the hair not being quality after she promised me, that the hair was good quality. So after I kept messaging her back and showing her pictures and stuff of the hair, she just stopped responding, period, because she knew that the hair was not good. So I was just basically scammed out of thousands of dollars. So I was so upset. I cried. I was like, what am I going to do now? And I happened to run across K Hair Company. You know, I was real skeptical. I said, oh, I done been through this so many times. I say, I don't have much money. So if I, invest in this hair, if I'm being scammed again, then I'm broke. I don't know how I'm going to feed my family because I'm taking my money to try to invest to make more money. So that's when I talked to Jasmine. Jasmine is a real sweet person. She's professional. Jasmine explained to me, she sent me videos, the history of the company. I watched reviews from other customers from Nigeria and different places. And I say, I think I'll give this hair a try. So I ordered some hair. They sent me this cute little bag. And I have some straight hair. I'll show you the straight. First of all, when I received this hair, I knew from the start that this was real virgin human cuticle line hair. I never in my life received hair that smells so good. Look how I can run my fingers through this hair. Look at how thick and full the bundle is. And when I bend the hair, you don't see all those flyaway hairs and short hair in the bundles. So I knew right then and there when I pulled the hair out the package that this was quality hair.